Zapier integrations. Pitch avatar integration with Zapier will allow you to set up the transfer of data about the listener who filled out the lead form inside your presentation to any CRM, email, or any other service. Attach a link to the listener activity report to their card in CRM. Receive notification by email, Slack channel, Viber, or Telegram every time the listener enters the presentation, when the listener calls the presenter, or when the presenter entered the presentation. Create personal links to show a presentation according to predefined settings and send this link to CRM or as a variable to any other service with which the application was created. Zapier can connect to numerous well-known apps. Find and choose template. Log into Pitch Avatar. Click the test trigger. If the test is successful, the warning icon will change to a green checkmark. Authorize your account in the second service you want to connect. In this example, it is a Slack account. In the field action, fill in the required data. Click Test Action. A test message will be sent. Now you can enable Zap. Click Publish. Your Zap is ready. Every time a listener fills out a lead form from any of your presentations configured in Pitch Avatar, you will receive a notification letter about this event in your Slack account. Didn't find a suitable Zap template? You can create custom automation by first choosing a trigger to run it. Supported Pitch Avatar triggers. New listeners filled out the lead form. Finished presentation report. Get joined new listener. Call presenter. Get joined presenter.